Students, this is Dr. Anand Pai coming back with another problem. This is problem 20. This has appeared in JEE 2023 question paper. Pretty straightforward. So that's why I've kept it as very easy problem. Let us see the problem. A person travels x distance with velocity v1 and then x distance with velocity v2 in the same direction. The average velocity of the person is v. Then the relation between v1, v2 will be very straightforward. So velocity, average velocity, when you say, which is equal to v bar, they have called it as v. So let us keep it as v. V is equal to distance divided by time, is it not, students? So what is distance here? Distance is 2x. What is time? As we have known, it is x by v1 plus x by v2. And if we remove x common from the denominator, you will get 2x divided by x into 1 by v1 plus 1 by v2. So we can cancel s. What remains here is v is equal to 2 divided by 1 by v1 plus 1 by v2. We can take the denominator to the other side and we will exchange these two, right? So we will get 1 by v1 plus, we'll get it as 1 by v1 plus 1 by v2 is equal to 2 by v. So the answer is D. I hope you have understood this, students. Happy learning. All the best. Thank you.